A car moves at a speed of 80 kilometers per second. What is the speed of the car in meters per second? So you have been given the speed of the car as 80 kilometers per hour, and that is equal. So if you want to convert any speed given in kilometers per hour to meters per second, just multiply it by 5 by 18. So you have 80 times 5 by 18 meters per second, and that is equal to 2 times 40 is 80 and 2 times 9 is 18. So 40 times 5 is 200 by 9 meters per second. Now you'll have to solve it again. So you have 200 divided by 9. 9 2s are 18. 2 is the remainder. This 0 comes down. Again 9 2s are 18. 2 is the remainder. So this is actually 22 2 by 9 meters per second. So this is the speed. So the answer is option C. An athlete runs a 200 meters race in 24 seconds. What is his speed? Well, you know the formula for speed, which is distance upon time. So speed is equals to the distance is 200 meters and the time is 24 seconds. So you get the speed in meters per second. Now 8 times 3 is 24, 8 times 25 is 200. So this is 25 by 3 meters per second. Now you have the speed in meters per second, but you need it in kilometers per hour because all of the options are in kilometers per hour. So how do you convert meters per second into kilometers per hour? Well, just multiply it by 18 by 5. So you'll convert meters per second to kilometers per hour. So you have 25 by 3 times 18 by 5 kilometers per second. So 3 times 6 is 18, 5 times 5 is 25. So 5 times 6 is 30. So 30 kilometers per second is the speed of this athlete. Option D is the correct answer. A man walking at a rate of 5 kilometers per hour crosses a bridge in 15 minutes. What is the length of the bridge in meters? Well, the speed is given to us, which is 5 kilometers per hour. And you have been given the time in which he crosses the bridge. So the time is 15 minutes. Now the time is given in minutes and the speed is given in kilometers per hour. So either you have to convert speed into kilometers per minute or convert time into hours. So we are going to convert 15 minutes into hours. Well, 15 minutes, it turns out to be 1 by 4 hours. Now we know the formula for distance. Distance is equals to speed into time, and that is 5 kilometers per hour times 1 by 4 hour. Right, so 5 by 4 kilometers is the length of this bridge. Right, but we need this in meters. So 5 by 4 kilometers is actually 5 by 4 times 1000 meters, isn't it? So 4 times 250 is 1000 and 250 times 5 is 1250. That is 1250 meters. So we have the answer option D. How long will it take a boy take a run round a square field of side 35 meters if he runs at a rate of 9 kilometers per hour? Let us assume that this is the square field of side 35 meters. Now this boy has to take a complete run round this square field. So the total distance traveled by this boy will be 35 times 4, and that will be in meters because we have been given the distance, which is in meters. Now what is the speed of this boy? It is given that the boy runs at the rate of 9 kilometers per hour. So speed is equals to 9 kilometers per hour. And you have to find the time it takes for this boy to take a complete run. Well, the time is given in seconds in the options. So why don't we convert this speed, which is given in kilometers per hour, into meters per second? And we have the distance also, which is in meters. So 9 kilometers per hour is equals to 9 times 5 by 18 meters per second, and that's 5 by 2 meters per second. So we have time is equals to distance upon speed. So this is equals to the distance is 35 times 4 and the speed is 5 by 2. So this is 35 times 4 times 2 divided by 5. 5 7 are 35. So this is 7 times 2, which is 14 times 4, and that is 4 4s are 16, 1 is carry, 4 1s are 4, plus 1 is 5. So 56 seconds is the time taken by this boy. So option D is the correct answer. A truck covers a distance of 550 meters in 1 minute, whereas a bus covers a distance of 33 kilometers in 45 minutes. What is the ratio of their speeds? So the truck covers 550 meters in 1 minute. So the speed of this truck is equal to the distance upon time, which is 550 by the time is 1 meters per minute. Right. Now let us calculate the speed of the bus. The distance covered is 33 upon the time is 45 kilometers per minute. Now in order to take the ratio, we need to have the units same. So let's convert this kilometers per minute to meters per minute. So 33 kilometers is basically 33,000 meters by 45 minutes. So we have now the unit same, we can take the ratio. So the ratio of the speed of truck upon the speed of bus is equals to, we have 550 as the speed of truck divided by 33,000 by 45. So this is equals to 550 times 45 divided by 33,000. Now let's cancel the terms. These zeros and these zero cancelled out. 11 5s are 55. 11 times 300 is 3300. Now 3 times 15 is 45. 3 times 100 is 300. Now 5 times 20 is 100. So what is left is 15 by 20. So this is 3 by 4. So the ratio of the speed of the truck to the speed of the bus is 3:4. Option A.